Hey guys, today I'd like to tell you about a slightly more dodgy marketing technique. This is FOMO, or fear of missing out. And what I don't like about this is it really sort of builds up an anxiety in the customer, and it makes them feel like they're going to need to acquire a product quickly in order to actually obtain it at all. And you can see this in a lot of marketing, even if it's something very, very subtle or it's not even intentional. So for example, you could have a limited time offer where people could only acquire a product within a certain time limit. You could also see it in terms of buy now while stocks last. There could be membership based variants where only members of a certain group, which would have to join within a certain time, only those members would be able to get it. So as an exclusivity. You also see this in like online shops as well. So for example, you could have five people are viewing this item pop up, or these people have subscribed to this course, if there are limited sort of slots as well. So basically that's a social proof notification. Now, these kind of things are really, really effective. I mean, another example of it would be McDonald's does the Monopoly game, where you look at, let's say you've got a certain amount of time, you get a certain amount of different stamp cards. So it's kind of like you have to basically fill things up within a certain time limit. So things like that are really, really effective at getting customers to buy a product. Now, whether or not you should implement this in your marketing strategy is entirely up to you. However, a large number of companies do it. I see it as dark marketing, but at the end of the day, it is something which is effective, and it is something which you should try, especially if business is hard.